Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with more than 38 beautiful collection of kitchen tiles designs and 3 popular kitchen tiles type that you can use to beautify and decor your kitchen. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Kitchen tile is another important addition to kitchen decor. Because kitchen tile comes in all colors, sizes and materials, it is possible to mix several colors to produce a certain design element, such as creating a stone or a marble look. Kitchen tiles is not only used for floors, but also used on walls, as a backsplash or on countertops using specialty tiles with unique designs. Decorated ceramic tile backsplashes go with granite or Korean countertops as well as tile. Decorative kitchen tile can be used in countless number of ways in a tiled area. Most painted tiles are made of ceramic because of its extensive range of colors and designs. 1. Ceramic kitchen tile. Ceramic kitchen tile comes from earth. Ceramics are made from clay as well as talc and other minerals, and after forming, the tiles are put through a firing process under high temperatures. Because kitchen tiles are produced from materials that are cooked under such high temperatures, the tiles conduct heat extremely well. This makes kitchen tiles the perfect material for countertops. They will not burn when hot pots are placed on the counter. Ceramic tile is made in numerous colors and can be customized to fit a certain color. A new trend in kitchen tile is mosaic tiles. Custom-made mosaic tiles can be used to create a mural on your kitchen floor. Pre-made mosaic tiles are also sold to create murals. A mural with a backsplash can really add color to your kitchen design. Also, a ceramic kitchen tile's backsplash is more attractive than a granite or Korean backsplash. Ceramic kitchen tile countertops are the right choice for your kitchen remodeling and cabinet refacing project, since kitchen tile provide good durability as well as the advantage of heat resistance. Kitchen tiles works especially well on a vertical surface, providing a durable surface that is resistant to stains and splashes. On vertical surfaces, the grout is less subject to stains than on countertops. Kitchen tiles are also water resistant, making them advantageous for any kitchen counter. While kitchen tiles has many advantages, you must be concerned about cleaning grout. Grout must be cleaned regularly or it will stain. Kitchen tiles can also chip and crack, requiring replacement. 2. Porcelain tile. Porcelain kitchen tile is very durable and is resistant to scratches or chips because it is made from the same material top and bottom. Porcelain kitchen tiles can be used to resemble real stone because the tiles are similar in shade and texture. 3. Glass tile. Glass kitchen tiles were at one time very expensive, but in recent years it has become more affordable. They can be used in borders or in the creation of beautiful mosaics in countless colors and has the unique ability to reflect light, allowing it to bring out the beauty of each tile. So kitchen tiles can be used for countertops, backsplashes, wall coverings, and flooring. They are available in almost limitless colors and designs. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you.